guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a makeup video. I will be doing my face with products from Freyara Beauty. So today's sponsor for this video is Freyara Beauty. They sent me a few products and I will be using them to do my makeup today. They are a company based in China. They ship to all over the world, including South Africa. Shipping took about 2 weeks, which is very reasonable considering it's China. I will link their website, their Instagram down below. I do have a discount code for you guys to get the products that you want. They do also sell makeup accessories like brushes, beauty sponges and whatever, beauty blenders, sorry. They do sell those products too. So next I will definitely be getting brushes. The brushes come in like black, white and pink, which is super exciting. You guys know I'm obsessed with pink. So yeah, they're a makeup company based in China and they're the sponsor for this video. I really like their products. As you can see, I've done a whole face deep period using some of the products that they sent me. They sent me an eyeshadow palette, 3 lip glosses, an eyeliner pen. I would call it an eyeliner pen. It's like liquid liner, but then it's literally like a pen. And mascara. So I did use all of those products in today's video to do my face, and you will see how I use them and what look I went for, etc. This is the makeup I would have done if I was celebrating my birthday, but yeah, I don't really like today. So this is like a birthday glam, what I would have done. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the product on my face. Obviously, I did use one of the lip glosses before today's video, because I'm obsessed with like this brown and pink lip combo now ever since I got the pink lip glosses from Freyara. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's get straight into it. Everything will be linked in the description for you guys if you would like to check it out or purchase. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so the first product that I'm using for this makeup video from Freyara is the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows, and I've already put a light concealer as like my eyeshadow base. Guys, this palette is so pretty. Like, I don't think you guys get it. I really don't think you do. I don't. It's very pretty, and it comes with a mirror. I haven't taken this off because I wanted to take it off obviously when I'm filming the YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off and then take it off. Okay, there we go. So period, like period. Okay, do you understand? Like, this is gorgeous, and this is a really good mirror. Like, I can actually see myself. It doesn't do that zoomy magnifying thing that, like, you know, when you buy a palette sometimes the mirror is fake as hell. So yeah, this is a very, very pretty mirror. And also besides that, the colors in the palette, child, they are giving. Like, I love these. I really, really love these. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyeshadow brush, and I'm obviously gonna go in with like a brown, because I want to do like a brown and then do like an orangish cut crease with a little bit of glitter. That's what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go in with the shade Crown Me. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is the shade Crown Me. That's the shade I'm gonna go in with, and I'm just gonna like pack it onto my eyelid. It's a very pretty brown. It's not too overpowering, it's not too dark, but you can see that it's brown, you know? Okay, so I'm going to take this thing off because it's hurting me. I'm going to go in with this concealer from Catrice and my little concealer brush. I just want to put some of this for the cut crease. Obviously, I need it to be a little, like, I need concealer. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take this like flat brush, and I'm going to take the palette and go in with the little orangish color that I want. This is it. It's called Tone. So I'm going to go in with Tone and just pack it onto where I put all the concealer. Oh, I can use this mirror. It's so convenient. Okay, I'm sure you guys can see. It's giving. It is giving. I like it a lot. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with a pink glitter in the middle of my eyelid. I think I'm going to use, I don't know, should I use a gold? Okay, I'm going to go in with a gold. I'm going to use Beach, which is a gold. There's obviously a shade called Gold here, but I'm going to go with Beach. And I'm just going to put it in the middle of my eyelid, towards the end of like the cut crease. Because Beach isn't too gold. I obviously don't want something too gold. It's giving. I like this a lot. I think it's very, very, very cute. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. This is a very simple look, but I used the Freyara palette and it's giving. Like, it's very cute. I like it a lot. Also, the palette does come with this in between, like, you know, the eyeshadow and the mirror. So your mirror won't get dirty. So you just need to make sure to put it back each time that you know, use your palette. The next product from Freyara that I'm going to use is also an eye product. It is an eyeliner pencil. I love this. Like, I don't think you guys understand. So I usually use, obviously, liquid eyeliner to do the little eyeliner thing on my eyelid when I'm putting on lashes. Whether I'm doing a cat eye or not, I always put on eyeliner. Having an eyeliner pen is very, very convenient actually, because then I don't actually use liquid eyeliner and it's very precise. So it makes it a lot easier for me. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm actually going to take the palette again because it has a mirror. I'm going to take the palette and that's what I'm gonna be looking in case you guys get confused. I'm going to just do lines on like the top, literally by my lashes, so that when I put on false lashes, there's no gap, because sometimes I don't necessarily put the lashes directly on top of my eyelashes, so that just helps. Okay, as you can see, this is what I'm doing. It also gives my eye the cat eye illusion because of how I do it, and I literally use this pen. As you can see, it's very, very thin and precise. So I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, I've done both eyes, and now the next product I'm gonna use from them is a mascara. It does say Freyara and it's just a matte black. It's a matte black packaging. I love black, so that is very cute to me. I am going to put that on my eyelashes because when I put on false eyelashes, I still put on mascara. So yeah. Okay, I put on mascara. I'm going to do my base off camera because it has nothing to do with this video, because you know, it just has nothing to do with this video. I'm going to put on all my products and then I'll show you guys, because I do have a new way of doing my base. Maybe someone would be interested in seeing it, so I will like explain once I put all the products on my face. But I'm not doing my base on camera. I think it will make the video lengthy for no reason. So I will be right back. I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so this is how I do my base. Now I put everything on my face. I take setting spray. And then I start to blend, like literally blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm going to go in with my setting powder, and I don't bake anymore. I'm literally just going to put it on the areas of my face that I highlighted and like dab it in. I am going to put on my eyelashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I put on my eyelashes and the next thing I'm going to do is put on highlighter, and I'm going to use that from the palette as well. And then I'm gonna do the lip combo. Highlighter I'm going to use is literally eyeshadow from the palette. I'm so sorry if my lashes look like they're on weird. I feel like I have a lazy eye, but anyway. I'm going to use the shade Gold actually. You know what? The way like it looks on the palette, it's definitely giving Fenty. Like, remember the first Fenty highlight that came out? I don't know if it's gonna focus on. No, it's not. And it was like super gold. It's definitely giving me that. So I'm just going to I haven't put highlighter on my cheeks in so long, but let's just see, shall we? I'm gonna take the mascara again, and I'm going to do my bottom lashes this time. I feel like doing bottom lashes is essential. Setting spray. I take my beauty blender and now for my lip combo. Okay, so for my lip combo, I got lip glosses from Freyara. I got these 3 lip glosses, 2 pink ones and 1 clear one. So I'm going to use, I'm going to use one of the pink ones for my lip combo. I know they look very much alike, but they're not. One is lighter than the other. I'm trying to figure out which one's lighter as well, because I'm blind, remember. I'm just gonna look through them. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. But I don't like overpowering lip combos, so I'm going to use a brown pencil just to tone it down a little bit. It's literally a random lip liner that I took from my mom a long time ago. I'm obsessed with pink, so ever since I got these products, I've really been obsessed with a pink lip combo. I don't want to stain the clear lip gloss thing. Okay, it's giving. Period. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go do my hair and stuff. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check the links in my description for links if you want to purchase, but my discount code will be in the description as well for you to look at. And yeah, I think you guys should definitely shop with them. They do deliver to South Africa, like I said in the beginning of the video, which is very convenient, and their products are not too expensive. And they also sell brushes. I'm gonna get their brushes next. They come in pink, white and black, if I'm not mistaken, and that is just amazing. You already know that I'm going to get the pink ones, but I really like their makeup. As you can see, I used eyeshadow for highlighter, and my highlighter looks really good, and my eye makeup, it's giving. It's very cute. I have nothing bad to say about the makeup, honestly speaking. It's really good. I like it a lot. It helped me achieve this face beat, period. So yeah, all details will be in the description box. You can DM me if you have any questions about shipping. It will take about 2 weeks to receive your order. That's how long it took for mine to come, which wasn't bad at all, considering it's coming all the way from China. 2 weeks is very, very reasonable. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can DM me or comment down below, and I will reply your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you, my angels.